I'm making one of the most beloved dishes in all of Greek cooking, artichokes alla Polita. I like to think of this dish as the Tiffany diamond of Greek cuisine. It's one of the great vegetarian dishes of Greek cooking, but it's also very simple, very elegant, and very delicious. So let's get started. I'm putting gloves on because the artichokes will darken my hands. There are lots of different artichoke varieties in Greece. The wild ones are among the most beloved. And what we want to do is remove the leaves. The leaves make a wonderful meze. One thing you want to keep in mind with artichokes, they will oxidize really quickly. They'll turn brown, so you want to drop them immediately into acidulated water. We want to cut the interior leaves off. And then you take a teaspoon and you basically clean out the choke, the fuzzy interior of the artichoke. And what you end up with is the heart, and it's shaped like an inverted champagne glass. So this is going right into lemon water or acidulated water. So what goes into this dish, besides the artichokes, are carrot, potato, scallion, a little bit of onion, and some fennel. I originally learned to make this dish from one of the best cooks I've ever met, who was my husband's grandmother. The next thing I want to prep is the fennel. And we want to get some scallions also cut. The potatoes we want to cut into about half-inch pieces. The carrot, the fennel, the onion, the scallion will go in first. Next, the fennel. Let me just give that a bit of a swirl. Artichokes alla Polita actually literally means artichokes made by the women of the city. And the women of the city, polis, were the women of Constantinople, present-day Istanbul. And this dish came into Greece with that wave of Greeks 100 years ago. I'm gonna get the onions in here next. Garlic, the potatoes. The scallions go in next. A little bit of salt. Lemon juice is what brings this all together. And I've got fresh lemon juice here, but before I add it, I have a little trick. We want the pan juices to be thick. A little secret for doing that is just very lightly add a little pinch of flour, gently sprinkled over the vegetables. And by doing that, before we add any liquid to this, the flour cooks together with the vegetables. When we add our lemon juice, pan juices will be nice and thick. The artichokes go in next. There's a little method to this madness. We actually plant them because the whole beauty of this dish is its presentation, even in the pan. One other little trick, artichokes always need a pinch of sugar. They're very acidic, just a hint. A little bit of black pepper. The lemon juice. This is just fresh strained lemon juice. And a touch of water, just a little bit. This is gonna cook now for about a half hour over medium to low heat. This is ready. And a beautiful sight it is. A little bit of fresh chopped dill is right over the top. A little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil, and I'm ready to serve this. We want to keep that artichoke upright and some of this beautiful vegetable medley around it. I'm ready to indulge in this masterpiece. The artichokes are tender but still firm. This is classic beauty. We get that natural acidity from the artichokes, the sweetness of the carrots and the onions, the freshness of the fennel, and the earthiness of the potatoes. And all of that is made even more delicious by that drizzle of extra virgin Greek olive oil at the end. This is really the Tiffany diamond of Greek recipes. This calls for the Tiffany diamond of Greek wines. Santorini Assyrtiko, produced in the oldest vineyard in the world from vines that have the oldest DNA in very unique growing conditions, volcanic ash. It is so minerally and dry and full-bodied at the same time. If you love white Burgundy or dry Rieslings, you'll love this wine. It's a perfect match for this wonderful artichoke dish. Yamas.